Hello guys, in this video we will take a look at REST API CRUD delete operation. Compared to create and update, delete operation is fairly easy, so this video will be short. As usual, let's start with Open API documentation for the delete route. Under v1 travels ID, we will create delete endpoint. Delete endpoint has parameter ID in path. It is required and has type of string. If the resource is successfully deleted, the API will return a response with a 204 HTTP code. Since 204 is a no-content HTTP code, the API is not going to return any body. If there is an error, we will return error response. Next, in routes, v1 travels index.ts file, we are going to create a delete method. And it will use delete travel function from the controller. Now in the controller.ts file, let's create delete travel function. This function instantiates travel repository and calls delete method on it with ID passed in the request. If successful, the function returns 204 response without a body. If there is an error, catch block kicks in and passes the error to error handler via next function. In repositories, base repository.ts, let's create a delete method. Similarly to update method, delete method attempts to find an instance of travel by ID. If instance is not found, unlike update method, delete method throws not found API error since the controller's delete function doesn't use the resource. The error will be caught in and handled by the error handler. If there is an instance, delete method calls destroy on the instance, deleting the record from the database. That's all it takes to delete a resource. Let's go ahead and test the code. Let's run yarn dev. Let's go ahead to Open API. Let's open get travels and try it out. Click execute. And now we got response. We have several travels. Let's go ahead, copy ID of the first travel. Now let's go ahead and scroll to the delete method. We'll open it out, click try it out. In the UUID, we will paste the ID of the travel we would like to delete and we'll click execute. And as you can see, delete is successful. We got 204 response and there is no body. So now if we click execute again, we will get a 404, not found because the travel with that ID was already deleted. And here it is. We created a method to delete a resource in Node.js API project. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.